Hey guys, Steve here, Synthrotek. I wanted to let you know about the deals we got coming up here on the Black Friday weekend. And we got 5 of them, and we're starting it off actually on Thanksgiving Day itself. So make sure you're paying attention to your emails. Make sure you're coming back to our site. We're gonna have big banners showing you exactly what the deal is going to be. And there's some really, really great ones this year with a lot of neat kits, neat new ones, some mutable clone kits, some other clone kits we have, and other really cool stuff. And let me give you the deets. So on Thursday, which is Thanksgiving Day itself, we're doing a free Kontact Mic kit, which is a touchable Kontact Mic kit, and that gives you a free kit for only spending $50 in our store on anything. And then you get that kit for free. I think that kit's about $50 by itself, so it's pretty much you get it for free. On Friday, we've got the touch controller from Rat King Modular, the Alchemical Audio touch controller, and if you spend $99 in our store on anything, you get a free touch controller kit. It's beautiful, it's awesome, you're going to enjoy it. We've got on Saturday, we've got a free Turing machine kit if you spend $115, of course, or more. And again, it's almost like getting a free Turing machine kit. Sunday, we've got a free Plaits kit. Of course, we've got these mutable clones that we keep churning out that are super popular. And if you spend $150 in our store, you get a free kit, which is, as I said before, on most of these deals, that is the exact same price as the kit itself. So it's pretty much like getting a free kit. And then on Monday, we're doing our big, pretty much once a year blowout, which is the 20% off everything in our store. And that means cases, that means power, that means everything, even things we make very, very little money on, 20% off the entire store. So each of these deals is only going to be for one day. So make sure you're doubling up, tripling up, quintentally. Is that right? Upping. Is that right, guys? I don't know. Anyway, we have 5 deals. It's going to be great. Check it out, and Merry Christmas.